Hello, welcome to a new week. We just wanted to start this newsletter with saying thank you so much for all of your help last week with those stride assessments. We really do appreciate all the effort that you put in to make sure that your student was successful with that. So thank you so much to each and every one of you for that. We really do appreciate it, and it really does take a village in a lot of ways to get those kiddos through school, make sure that they're successful, and we know that you're a big part of that village, so we just wanted to say thank you for that. And we are going to have a great week this week. This is a newsletter for April 26th through the 30th. In those live classes, the standards that we're going to be covering are to review to prepare for the NWEA. That NWEA test we will take in the middle of May, but we just want to set your student up for success. So we are going to be reviewing some of the standards that we've covered this year in those live classes and just taking some time to go through the ones that maybe some students struggled with, they aren't as strong in, and we're just going to make sure that they get that chance to brush up on those skills and be successful for that test that we're going to take. We are also, for the next 2 weeks, we're probably going to throw in a few days to talk about test-taking strategies. We know that a lot of students in second grade haven't taken tests like these before, like an NWEA, a stride assessment. So we want to take a day or two and go over some test-taking strategies with them. So most days are going to be covering standards, and then 1 or 2 days in the next 2 weeks we'll be talking about test-taking strategies. All right, and then the last thing that I wanted to cover is that I am working on a project. This is Winter Nelson, Mrs. Louie. I am working on this project for each and every student. I want to get them a class photo. Just like you would in a brick and mortar, how you would have their first name, last name, and then a picture of them above. And then the principal and the teachers are right here. I would love to get this out to everyone before the end of the school year. So please send me, Mrs. Louie, Winter Nelson, a picture of your student. It would be great if you could send a headshot, so shoulders up of your student, just like you would in a brick and mortar when they get their picture taken. And then I will put their picture in a box and put their first name and their last name, and they'll be able to see all of their classmates as well, and their teachers. If this is something that you are not comfortable with and you do not want your student to be a part of this, please reach out to one of these teachers, myself, Miss Wright, or Miss Thompson, as soon as possible, so that way we know not to include your student. We might not have a picture for them, but we hope to include every student's first name, last name on that class photo. So please take the time to take a quick picture just on your cell phone of your kiddo with their shoulders up, headshot photo, and then send it to me, Winter Nelson, Mrs. Louie, as soon as possible so that I can get these together for each of our classes and we can get these to you before the end of the school year. You can do whatever you'd like with these. I know Costco is a really affordable option if you're looking to print it out. I know Walgreens is another really affordable option. If you wanted to print this out for your student, you're more than welcome to, but I just want to get this together and get this out to you before the end of the school year. So as soon as possible, please get that to me so that I can create this for you and your student. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen to this video. Have a great week.